You are listening from Story Collection YouTube channel. Good morning. The news in headlines. DMK explores backing rivals AIA, DMK and Hughes TN House. Congress High Command to sue Kerala's CM. BJP AAP threat SARS over twin blasts in Punjab. IC upholds acquittal of 10 accused in Naxal attack that left 76 security personnel dead. Government plan to redesign Kalindi Kunz barrage to tackle Yamuna Fort. Waiting for pay, Noida workers unsure of promise wage hike. Around 806 crores medical college hostels complex project approved to boost healthcare, CM. Resident of Yamuna Bazar get eviction notice, DDMA. Cite potential disasters risks. Twin blast Zarkar accused CM of sedition, BJP plotting unrest, AAP. Adityanath flex of census 2027 in UP urges participation. Congress protests, a police give client clean sheet to rape accused, 13 children rescued from bonded labor. DMK allies urge governor to invite BJ to form government. EPS sanded over Stalin's defeat, says AIA DMK leader. Rajasthan ACB arrests former minister Mahesh Joshi in Jal Jeevan Mission tender scam. Assam to get a new government on May 12. Linguistics groups to protest until Hindi exam rule for government employees scrapped. Facing resistance over power privatization, bid Ladakh Chief Secretary reached out to local. Allied Congress seeks better coordination on crucial public issue with ruling NC in Jammu and Kashmir. 5 kids, 1 adult drowned as boat capsized in Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh. Kerala Congress drive hard bargain after electoral rival. The news in detail. The post-election political climate in Tamil Nadu turned upside down on Thursday after Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam DMK leadership began toying with the idea of extending outside support to its rights arch-rival, the All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam AIA DMK, a prospect unthinkable even a few days ago. Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arekar invited Tamila Vetri Kazhagam TVK President C. Joseph Vijay on Thursday and explained that the requisite majority support in Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, essential for forming the government, has not been established, the Lok Bhavan said. A meeting of MLAs elect of DMK here empowered party President and outgoing Chief Minister M.K. Stalin to take an appropriate decision in light of the fractured electoral verdict, which failed to give any single party a majority. The opposition BJP tries a short action against Punjab CM Bhagwan Mann over baseless statement regarding Tuesday's twin blast, even as the Aam Aadmi Party doubled down on its allegation that the attack were part of BJP's plan to win next year's assembly poll. MLAs-elect of the Congress in Kerala who met in Thiruvananthapuram on Thursday passed resolution authorizing the party high command to choose the next chief minister, even as the 3 leaders in contention were involved in hectic parleys to shore up support. The Chhattisgarh High Court has upheld the acquittal of the 10 accused in the 2010 Tametla encounter, the deadliest attack by Naxal on security force in which 76 security personnel lost their life, even as it noted that the investigation in the case appeared flawed. Waiting for their salaries amid heavy police deployment across the Noida on Thursday, workers at the Madrasan Group facility, which was the center of the labor unrest in mid-April, appeared unsure about the promised hike. Following the unrest, over wage demand, with a protest turning violent on April 13. The Uttar Pradesh government had announced a hike in minimum wages for unskilled workers by as much as 21% effective from April 1st. Those in municipalities will receive a 15% raise, where workers in other areas will see 9% rise. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta said on Thursday that a modern medical college and hostel complex will be built in Dwarka at an estimated cost of 805 crores to strengthen healthcare service and address the increasing demand for doctors in the capital. Residents of as many as 210 dwellings unit of the Yamuna Bazaar residence cluster along the floodplains were on Thursday asked to vacate the area within 15 days by the Delhi Disaster Management Authority (DDMA). Drugs worth rupees 6 crores had been seized and 4 persons were taken into custody for running an interstate racket involved in the sale of counterfeit medicine, including life-saving drugs in North Delhi, Mukherjee Nagar, the police says on Thursday. The accused allegedly procured medicine from government hospital in Uttar Pradesh, repackaged them and even illegally manufactured some drugs before supplying them across Delhi NCR, part of Northeast and Myanmar. They said Delhi Police Crime Branch constituted a team following a tip-off, and arrests were made between April 23 to 29, Deputy Commissioner Police Crime Pankaj Kumar Singh said. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Thursday flagged off the first phase of Census 2027 under theme Hamari Janagana Hamari Vikas, formally beginning the house listing and housing operation at a program held at his official residence in Lucknow. The first phase, which ends on May 21, will allow citizens to self-enumerate online before enumerators begin door-to-door verification. 13 children from the Vaiga community, a particularly vulnerable tribal group, were rescued from bonded labor in Chhattisgarh, Kabirdham district on Wednesday. The police have arrested 8 persons in the case. The children, aged between 8 and 15 years, were allegedly forced to graze cattle and tend to livestock for months without wages. Their parents were paid rupees 1,000 to 2,000 a month. A case has been registered under section related to trafficking, bonded labor, child labor, and Juvenile Justice Act. The opposition party Janata Party (BJP) on Thursday sought action against Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann over baseless statement regarding Tuesday twin blasts. Even as a ruling, AAP doubled down and its allegation the attack were part of the BJP plan to win next year's assembly election. On Tuesday, 2 low-intensity explosions were reported within a span of few hours near military area in Amritsar and Jalandhar, where Mr. Mann claimed the BJP was behind the small blast. The Director General of the Police, DGP Gaurav Yadav, attributed the explosion to Pakistan Inter-Service Intelligence (ISI). Congress workers on Thursday staged protests across Uttarakhand over the alleged gang rape of 16 years of old class 10 students in Sampawar after police said there was conspiracy from those named in the case. Several allies of DMK on Thursday said Tamil Nadu Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arikar should invite Tamila Vetri Kazhagam TVK President Joseph Vijay to form his government, as this party has emerged as the single largest in the recent assembly election. Before I end the news bulletins, the headlines once again. DMK explodes backing rival AIA-DMK in Hung Tien House. Congress High Command to sue Kerala CM. BJP AFP threat charges over twin blasts in Punjab. IC uphold acquittal of 10 accused in Naxal attack that left 76 security personnel dead. Government plan to redesign Kalinda Kunz barrage to tackle Yamuna Fort. waiting for pay, Noida workers unsure of promised wage hike. That is the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.